If you want to prepare a quick meal but still don't want to compromise on taste and quality, then honestly, Farm Star make it really easy. With their ready-to-use mixes, you can enjoy traditional Indian flavors anytime in just few minutes, and that too without any chemicals or preservatives. So let's start with refreshing mint coriander raita. Take 1 kg of fresh curd. Now add Farm Star mint coriander raita mix and mix it well. The best part about this mix is that it blends so easily and give a fresh flavor taste instantly, and perfect for summers and everyday meals. And not just this, they also have a Gajar Raita mix, which is another great option if you want to try different flavors. Now let's move on the paratha. Take 1 cup of water, add 2 spoons of Farm Star Bathua Methi Paratha mix it well and let it rest about 5 minutes so it softens properly. Now add this mixture into a 2 cups of wheat flour and knead into a soft dough. Roll out of your paratha and cook them on a pan with a little ghee or until golden and perfectly cooked. And just like that, your delicious Bathua Methi Paratha are ready. And what I really like about Farm Star product is they are super convenient, made with natural ingredient and save so much time in the kitchen without compromising on taste. So if you also want quick and healthy and tasty meal options, you should definitely give this a try.